Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And yes, people, the weekend is here. If you're off and you're enjoying the day off, listen, enjoy family and friends, have fun, do whatever's going to make you happy. But most of all, as always, people, be safe doing it. All right, today we got a nice weather watch face for you all to check out. Now, I got a few people that love weather watch faces, quite like myself. And this one here is nice. Now this one is coming from Aussie. It's called Premium Blue Weather Forecast. Now in the AOD mode, you're gonna get a simple digital time, but we're gonna focus on this watch face when it's on. It's very nice. Everything is very legible. I love the blue background, which represents the sky. And no, you cannot customize the background. You don't need to. It's perfect exactly the way it is. Up at the top, you will get a nice legible digital time. You're going to get the day of the week, you're going to get the month and also the date. But when you come down, here's where the fun begins because you're going to get your weather. It's going to let you know what area you're in. So if you're traveling, it'll let you know the city that you're in while traveling, which is nice. And then you're going to get the weather. You're going to also get the weather icon, which if it's sunny, if it's cloudy and raining, it's going to represent that to the left. And then to the right, you're going to get your humidity, which I thought was awesome for a weather watch face. And down at the bottom, it's going to tell you what kind of a day you're having, whether it's clear skies like it is in my area, or it's storming, or it's sunny, or it's raining. This is one heck of a weather watch face. This one is getting played all weekend. And then down at the bottom, there it is right there, people. A 4-day forecast. So all in all, you kind of get a 5-day forecast with the weather for today. I'm telling you, this one is nice. So if it's sunny, it's going to show the sun. If it's cloudy, people, it's going to show the clouds. Down at the bottom, you are going to get your battery percentage. And you can tap into your text messages. And you can also get into your phone dialer to make a phone call. And yes, I know you're gonna ask, well, can you go into the weather application? Yes, you can. Double tap anywhere and it will bring up your weather and you're in, people. Listen, do me a favor, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one and let me know if it's a download or leave it right where it's at. Now, I paid $1.29 for it, I believe. With tax, it was like $1.36, people. And I'm telling you, I think it's worth its weight in gold. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Continue to enjoy your weekend. Have fun with family and friends. And I'm going to see you all at the next video right after you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Take care. I'm going to see you all at the next one.